Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I have a very exciting unboxing for you today everybody. It is October's box of Goth. Can't believe it. October's box of Goth is here everybody. I am far too excited to open this month's box. So before we get into it, I am going to just tell you a little bit about this company, what they're about, how much they cost, all the info. So, Box of Goth. What are they? They are a very, very small, and by small I mean a one-woman show here, UK-based Gothic alternative subscription box. This is a lifestyle box, guys. This is not a beauty box or a makeup box. It's a lifestyle box. Obviously all themed around gothicness and alternativeness, which, hey, that's me. These boxes, you can subscribe to their monthly subscription service. The boxes are £23 plus £3.50 postage and packaging, or you can buy them as one-off at £25 plus your £3.50 postage and packaging. Nikki, who runs this company, she doesn't just do the monthly subscription boxes. She sometimes does little mystery bags, little mystery boxes as well. So please do click into the description box where it says show more. Click that. It'll bring all the website details up and all her Instagram details up. Please, if nothing else, if you are into your Gothic and alternative, please sign up for her email newsletters and notifications on Insta and all that, because she is fantastic at keeping you up to date with these boxes. So let's get into October's box, guys. Let's open her up. I absolutely adore the fact that they are coffin shaped. That just appeals to my sense of humour, to be perfectly honest. And here we go. So, first of all, have we got a little cheat sheet? Can I find a cheat sheet in here anywhere? Let me have a look. Here we go. Yes, I have. Right at the bottom. So, oh, this is so cute. Here we go. Here's our little cheat sheet. That's what it looks like. And it says, Halloween me. There we go. So, little list of contents. No RRP values with this box, guys, because it is all sort of not exactly all handmade, but all put together specifically for Box of Goth. She will often on Instagram, she'll often bob out a little notification saying, hey, anybody with a craft or your own business, or if you like making jewellery or you're an artist or anything, get in contact with her, and you never know, your products might just be featured in her boxes. So again, please do go and follow her on all her social media channels. Right, let's get into it. First things first, we got a little postcard, and it's just all covered in ghosts. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. And it actually says this is the ghost face print. There we go. Yeah, just a little postcard, nothing on the backs or anything. So that's going to go behind me on my display there. Yeah. Ooh. I know, it doesn't take a lot, I'm sorry. Next thing out the box is a sign. Oh, it looks like it's going to hang up. Here we go, it comes in a plastic thingy. Yeah, it's a plastic sign. It's by Smiley Signs. Here we go. And it, it says, just call me wicked. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I do have quite a wicked sense of humour. I'm one of these really awful people that if somebody falls over in the street and, you know, chucks all their shopping everywhere, I'm stood there going, I can't help myself. I'm sorry, but that's just the way I am. So, yeah, I like that. I like that sign. Just call me wicked. This doesn't seem to be on the table of contents, so I'm not sure if this is an extra product that she's just popped in there, or if it was something, an item that she was waiting for being delivered, and she had to get her table of contents printed out beforehand, before she knew if this was coming or not. I don't know. But this sign is a little extra, basically, so that's cute. And what's this? No way! Oh my goodness, no way. It's a little cauldron, salt and pepper pot. These are so cute. There you go, there's the top of it. These are, and it's Spirit of Equinox. This is the company. There you go, Spirit of Equinox. I've got so many things by them. My green man in a tree incense holder that you can't see at the moment, it's just out of shot. I've got loads. They are a super, super company. Do some fabulous items, guys. But let me just, these are so cute. Let me just show you. There you go. And it's literally a little cauldron. There's the pepper one. There's your stopper underneath to fill them up. How awesome are they? I'm not going to use them as a salt and pepper set. I can't. These are going to be a display item for me on my backdrop. But they are awesome. I really love that, Nikki. Thank you very much. And I do believe these retail at about £5 or £6 for the set. So, awesome. That's item number 3. Item number 4. This is so cute. It's... Oh dear, sorry. It says, the pumpkins see everything sleep mask. There we go. Eye masks are not something that I generally use, but I do think they're a great idea to have. And would you believe, there we go. I've got 2 now. Isn't that just the cutest? Lovely, lovely. Great for, I mean, I suffer from a condition called hemiplegic migraines. It's a very complicated thing, but basically it's a migraine and my body reacts as if it's having a stroke. So when I do get a major attack, I have to go and lay down, and I have to have a darkened room. Not even the tiniest little pinprick of light, otherwise it really, it's not good. So that is ace. I love the fact we've got another one of these in, so when I do get an attack, at least I've got something that can just pop over my eyes and hopefully help to relieve the stress of those migraines, because they're really not nice, guys, you know. But that is so cute. That's amazing. That's awesome. I love it. Item number 5. Item number 6. Is this a candle? Oh my word. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's a little tea light candle. Well, it's not little. It's a pumpkin. There we go, look, there's your wick. It's in like a tea light holder, but as you can see, it proper stands up a lot higher than that. So it's a mini pumpkin candle or ghost stroke pumpkin tea lights. So it sounds as though you're going to get either this pumpkin candle, a ghost candle, or some pumpkin tea lights. But either way, you're getting a candle or some sort of candly thing in there. So that's so cute. Isn't that just the cutest thing you've ever seen? Again, that'll be going on the back as a display piece, but hey, that's awesome. I love it. So item number, where are we? Number 6? I think number 6. I don't know, I'm losing track. What's this? Ooh, what is this? Okay. Oh, it says no eyes pumpkin Polaroid. So I think it's just a little bit of artwork. There we go. There we go. How cute is that? And the next one. Oh, what's this? Is this a sticker? It's like it, a little pumpkin sticker. Evil pumpkin. There we go. And we've got something in a bag. Purple bag as well, my favourite. Let's have a look. Oh, crikey, that's quite weighty. Oh, it's a necklace and it's got a little pumpkin on it. Sorry, it's just a bit knotted up. Let me just... Oh, wow, and it reminds me of the pumpkin from A Nightmare Before Christmas. Here we go. Let me hold that up for you, see if the camera will focus on it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't it gorgeous? And it does actually say it's the pumpkin pendant necklace. Let's try this on, see what we think. Oh, that's really nice. It's very short. The chain is very short. So I would say that's something like a 16-inch, maybe an 18-inch, but that sits really nicely with my other pumpkin necklace that I got from a cult box. There we go, I'm not sure if you can see, but that's really lovely. I really like that. Awesome. And another little organza bag for my collection. And the next thing out the box, oh, what's this? Oh, it's a soap. Okay. Right, it says on here, it says, on Halloween, we wash in black. And it's a black soap, guys. There we go. It's a handmade Halloween soap. And it says handmade in Lancashire. Oh, that smells divine. Oh, what has it got in here? It's got like citrusy in there. Like lemon or orange or something. That smells absolutely beautiful. I wonder if it actually does give you like a black lather. I can't wait to try that out. That is going to be really interesting. The smell reminds me of something and I can't figure out what it is. And the next item. Oh! Sorry. I've got another candle and it's the ghost one. So I wonder it, look, it even says boo on it. I wonder if you'll literally get 2 out of the 3. So out of the 3 you've got a mini pumpkin, a mini ghost, or some pumpkin tea lights. And I reckon you'll either get like these 2, or you'll get the pumpkin tea lights, or you might get the tea lights and one of these or something like that. But yeah, Nikki, yeah, they are cuteness personified. They are awesome. Love it. And I think this is the last, oh no, I was going to say the last thing in the box, but I've just found something else. It looks like we've got another necklace here. And it says the pumpkin sees all acrylic necklace. There we go. There we go. This one's on a black chain, as you can see. And there's our Smiley Pumpkin. And this has got to have been made by the same company that's made the mask look, because they are exactly the same. That is so cute. I love it. I love it. That's awesome. Awesome. Right, well, I might as well, since I've got the silver one on, let's give this one a go. Oh, I do like the fact it's got a really big ring there for you to connect up to. I don't know whether you can see that. It's got a really, really big ring. So not a tiny wee thing where you're trying to fiddle about, trying to get it together. There we go, nice and quick and easy. That chain is a bit longer than the silver one, so I would say that's maybe about an 18 or a 20-inch chain, that one. But yeah, so I've got quite, oh yeah, it is, look. That one's gone quite low down, so I've got quite a nice collection going there. And then the last item in the box, it says, where there's a witch, there's a way. I think this is a magnet. Yes, Smiley magnet. Now then, Smiley, Smiley, Smiley. Same company, yet as have done the sign. This is the magnet. There we go, guys. I'm never upset getting magnets. I love getting magnets. I've got a filing cabinet in this room where I film. I pop all my magnets on there, and although you guys can't see it, it's in the corner of my eye line, so I can always see them all, and they just give me a little bit of a giggle and cheer me up sometimes. So there we go. Wow, what a Halloweeny box from Box of Goth this month. Right, let's go back through everything. So we've got 2 necklaces. We've got the acrylic pumpkin and we've got the little silver pendant pumpkin. So 2 necklaces this month. We have the eye mask to help us have a little snooze or a little 40 winks in the middle of the day when us sort of vampire types just really don't like to be awake and out and about. So we've got an eye mask. We have got the cute cauldron salt and pepper set. That's awesome. We have our so cute pumpkin and ghosty little tea lights. We have our ghosty artwork postcard. We have our beautiful smelling black soap. Lovely. Very lemony. I can certainly smell lemons in there. We have our Just Call Me Wicked and Where There's a Witch in the Way, There's a Way sign and magnet from, what was it called? Smiley Signs. There we go. And then we have got our little pumpkin Polaroid artwork and our scary pumpkin sticker. Is that everything? I think it is. Yeah, I'm just checking down the list. Yep, that's everything in the Halloween box of Goth. Wow, I think that is an awesome little box. I really do. Nikki put so much thought and effort into all of these boxes. She packages them all up by hand. I don't know, honestly, I don't know how she does it. How she comes up with the ideas and, you know, thinking of what items to put in there are just beyond me. I honestly, I don't know what is my favourite item this month out of the box. There is so many. I just think it's all so cute. It's all Halloweeny. It all plays into that theme. Yeah, I absolutely love everything. I think the necklace, the silver necklace and the little pumpkin and ghost tea lights are my absolute favourites. But I really thoroughly, I'm so pleased with everything that's in this box. But please, everybody, let me know in the comments section below, what's your favourite item in this month's Box of Goth? Are you already subscribed to Box of Goth? Or after seeing this, are you like, oh, I've got to give that one a go? Please do let me know all your thoughts and feelings and feedback down in that comments section, guys. Thank you for watching, as always. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you consider joining me on this YouTube journey. If so, please do hit that subscribe button, either the red one down below or the circular icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. I don't just do gothic and alternative sub boxes, I do beauty subscription boxes, I do makeup looks. I have a live stream on a Friday evening called the Friday Night Natter, 8 PM GMT or UK time. Literally a virtual get together. Come along, bring your favourite beverage, an open mind, a willingness to join in, and if nothing else, you know, just say hi, I'm here, I'm watching, but I might not chat too much in the live chat. That's absolutely fine, whatever you're comfortable with. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!